I told you guys that I have been following the leaks about the Huawei triple folding phone. Recently, Huawei CEO was spotted using the actual device. The image was captured by someone which shows Huawei's tri-folding device, and now Huawei's Consumer Business Chairman once again showed off the tri-fold phone, and this time the focus is on the rear camera bump. After the display, let's learn a few things about the optical framework of the upcoming triple folding phone. First of all, the overall design looks quite thin and slim compared to the leaks. It seems Huawei has significantly worked on the thickness of its upcoming foldable phone. Like, after looking to this picture, I would say that Huawei has finally got the thickness of the new triple folding phone under its control, resulting in a slimmest and the cleanest appearance around. Even few leaks said that the device could be bulky and may disappoint users, but this new shot of the phone says otherwise. Anyway, looking into the picture, the device has 3 blade-thin display panels overlapped on each other, which looks phenomenal. The next highlight is the rear camera bump of the Huawei tri-folding handset. It adopts the same classic circular design as found in the Mate phones. The device resembles the Mate 50-like optical structure on the back side with a decorative rim housing it. Other details of the Huawei tri-folding phone are still under the hood, but the constant revolution of the device implied that the company is ready to launch the new product next month, though an official confirmation still awaits on this matter. However, some details may not change. For example, the tri-folding phone will likely sport an inward plus outward folding design and dual hinge mechanism. It will equip a new Kirin 9 series chip and various new capabilities. AI features could be another major addition to this innovative folding phone, and it will support some PC-level applications through the Harmony OS Next program. For the time being, this is what I got, and I am waiting for more leaks like it, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the future update. So what are your thoughts on this picture? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.